I'm Carl with Dynojet. The Power Vision requires you to identify and locate the Harley-Davidson Diagnostic connector. Today I'm going to show you how to identify that connector using this 2007 Sportster. This video will cover 2007 through 2013 Sportster models. The diagnostic connector on the Sportster models is located behind the left-hand side cover. You'll just pop the cover off, set it off to the side, and locate your diagnostic connector. It'll be gray in color and it will have a little black plug in the end of it. You'll then take your Power Vision connector and plug it in.
For more information on the products featured here, please head to our website, DennisKirk.com.